say, don't worry your head.
Ebusia okateche free from mensa and a mem was it as a tax be aku follow no mako chasing the gidi. Na manfo busa say we no efi Kevin Taylor akache ana say aban mu mpanyimfo ni bi ana chase no aha let's talk GH and then first time I put into video I so say over subscribe ama me no follow Facebook as let's talk GH and TikTok so as let's talk GH na share video we ama for be share any comments bi awo no na waja or comment section ho e de ama me Ebusia abra eyo kateche FIFA mensa ojai ABN ojai Angel TV host no ye no morning show host no ye no ojai no yenim sese anadwuma odie ne se ono ankasa seti ni studio ye for the record any obetina ho de a aban a wote so de wo bowachi a won fans pe wo kra what you say na ne ntokwa bi so ne nansen ni ntokwa bi a yekoso between one bra penny Kevin Taylor ene nyasem ketewa kwa we to mani we na we to amani we ensem ni be ye bebre ema Kevin Taylor kwa be threaten ye.
There's one thing I want to tell Kwame FIFA. I will take something precious from you, and that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again.
What as ya ha then some na ko ye bebre fi se waba be ye post e yokateche FIFA mensa aba be ye post a watch se enu anadwunkofo bi chesi no na chese ofa ha na o mafa ho bi okọ ha na o maka obi no si no ade we no hwan na ta chire ene poster wo ye no emu nsem no eni o sem state sponsored terror against me, an incident of intimidation is as some can say on kwada the state they say what I say government in crofo and it say chase no say a form of intimidation said the beya or betina for the record next wa on to me enkashi and I say obeja show ni ye crown. And I say I am drawing attention to a disturbing incident that occurred last night. Not to say nraya ana asem esi. My team and I had previously spotted these two cars at a location where I was holding a meeting. Not to say cars me no bi what I say no mu we meeting wo baby no who say these two cars e wo honum. That just during the meeting no hu ye say cars no e wo honum. So approximately 3 hours later, around 11:30 p.m., I noticed that I was being followed by these same two cars as I drove. Not just say upon meeting now or drive yakono by 11:30 p.m. And who says still na sa two cars ya wo hu yi. Still na as a chase no or driving in a chase no. Upon realizing I was being followed, I decided to counter chase them. That is who's on mudinetinos no. May chase you on Monamashade, may I make counter on Nama chase you on Monamashi at the Kodia or more epe. The driver driving the Kia feigned, making a call in an attempt to avoid confrontation. Just what I said, or yes, Anna. Driver na wo Kia no say cars no who two ni na screen is hand wo Kia no e said that fake fake bit say or ye call bisa no what I said be ya umusa ne hwe however the driver of the Range Rover without a number plate whom we confronted claimed that he was a national service person, as dumb as they are. And here no any omoko confront a Range Rover no and the car without number plate no omoko confront a driver no amubusa na also no a national service person assembly what I said that's him. And so I am of the strong opinion that this incident may be part of a government's intimidation tactic. Not just what she say ono die na adwene ono ani susuye mu no hu ni say this is a form of intimidation from the government. Said the beya on ba mekika keka wo mo ho nsemsem bia. No say nevertheless, I must stress that I will continue to exercise my right to freedom of expression and movement. And then all kinds of no say chile say. Opeso a say no matter the intimidation, no matter the amount of intimidation among the bebanis, no, the right as a citizen of Ghana, no, our what the right to express himself, maybe a obwada or be expressing things will be movie around. Ako baby, opese okobia, and no amount of intimidation can silence me. That this we no amount of intimidation can silence me ne the MZ and anthem because they be our cancer for person intimidating a power but onu ni nsusu ye mu kire sem no matter the obi betray no matter the other be no untimi what I say untimi intimidate no ne wakasa obeka no eno ano obeka Kevin Taylor asem a wokan ye ntie kakra ma.
But there's one thing I want to tell Kwame Fifa. I will take something precious from you. Listen to me. I will take something precious from you. And that thing I'll take from you, you will never be happy again. Kwame Fifa, I'm saying this on my show. Obe sansio, obe nom, untumi mene. The person chire obi wo wiase.
Ha, what you say? Ti Kevin Taylor aka say o me ade pa wo ho ama won say what is a threat we ne nkofo lenke sa ade we to Kevin Taylor. Ebi mo say it could be that if you ono no ho so ono na dwen na ono ne kire say ebe ti say government nkofo na person mo intimidating and all that na. Amafo ne zu bi kire say what if say nye government nkofo na ye obi a what threatening because this person said that obeji ade precious if you ama wa won say yes. Enti no esi agana for no ebi se fi Kevin Taylor ho e na ono akatechie ne so se onim se ni nsusu yi mo no eye government tactical omo pese omo de brain asene so lie enyi yida na se wa wonim se okatechie FIFA de obetina ni show ni so de ai John do amani Mahama his excellency na hu na man
More fire. Me tuo yi. Call. Akufo demonstrations akasi anyina say yam pene ni ade afa ewie ya mema be yam tamfo no krase say nyesa me pemanfo no asem akovi ye ko election 2 months to election na me ne ma ban ko ogalam say hu anya me nam ko oguram ko just smart o akukudu presidency was said yes me din da was boso me niam misika mokoto krata bia mo nchi no ye kromfo me yuja here 8 years me friend one father more fire MPP no bia no so ma mkapre more fire tell them na ko just smart wo yatia yi dia wo ye ne say wo na akoso a cement say Akufo Addo mfa mesi cathedral na wo nya no korefo more fire wo ya no korefo a wo na akoso a cement so in any case kwa wo just smart yes it me ending and abetting of crime more fire it's an Akufo Addo aye bone dia
eni aban mu mpanyimfo se wotisuo se wontisuo wa ye bibia kyese na ni ehu ananaso atede eni obom da wo se konkonkonkon enya asem keto akwa mede mani edi ensemnechi ene update be fi hoba de baba be so mu meka wo so be follow Facebook as list of GH Rumors and TikTok so as list of GH na share video ama afoforo aba be share midin ede na ne kia sansa nakwa